Okay, so I wrote with this. Dear Mel, apologies. Yes, I do. I also do this when I write my diary. I speak what I'm writing out loud, but usually it's in French, so it doesn't really bother people around me because I'm in an Anglophone environment. It doesn't matter. We're in a big city.
We're available to do that work.
It's okay. Dear Mel, apologies for taking so long, like 6 months, really, to reply. I'm doing great as I am back in Vancouver for my annual vacation. It's rainy, but much milder than back home. There's not a lot of space to write what I want to write because I don't like, my handwriting is not small, and I can't do small like this. Like I'm a pretty like expansive person. I take space. Look, when I'm on a table in a coffee shop, sometimes I occupy like the space of like 2 or 3 people because my stuff's all around. Like I spread out a lot, so it's hard for me to write small. Okay, it's rainy but much milder than back home. Well, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna. What else can I say? I'm enjoying my time here, making zines, eating good food, watching hockey. Because remember, we were watching hockey together, and simply walking around. Unfortunately, Montreal did not make the playoffs this year. But Toronto, Calgary, Winnipeg, and Edmonton are still in, and now I'm out of space. So I'm just gonna be like, to be continued. I'll write him another postcard, like maybe a month from now. He might answer me in the meantime. I signed with another color. Here you go. We are done. This one.